Look at the forecast for Lubbock and vicinity. Tonight, mostly cloudy with scattered thunderstorms until midnight, then partly cloudy after.
The National Weather Service in Lubbock has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Fauquier County in the Panhandle of Texas, southern Briscoe County in the Panhandle of Texas, northwestern Floyd County in northwest Texas, northeastern Hale County in northwest Texas, until 10 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located near Aiken, or 10 miles east of Plainview, and moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Some locations near the path of this storm include Claytonville, Caprock Canyon State Park, Caprock Canyon, St. Silverton, and Kittiquay. Large hail, damaging winds, and very heavy rains are expected with this storm. Take cover in a substantial shelter. To report severe weather, please call the National Weather Service at 806.745.WUN2. 90. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time Saturday evening for the Panhandle and Northwest Texas.